this time we're going to practice checking our remainder when we're done to make sure that it tells us that we've divided correctly. So let's start off our division by asking ourselves the new first question. Looking at this first digit, can I divide 2 into 9 groups? You should always be asking yourself that the first time you're dividing. Now, we've been practicing that. The answer is no, you can't take 2 things and divide them into 9 groups evenly with a whole number. So we put an X here. That tells us I tried to divide here, didn't work. So move on to looking at the next 2 digits together. Can I divide 9? Can I divide 25 9 times? Sure I can. I can do it at least 2 times evenly. So we did the dividing. Now we need to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18. Now it's time to subtract. And 15 minus 8 would give me 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now, after we get done subtracting, we have to bring this guy down. So if I'm bringing this guy down, then I know that 9 times 8 is going to get me as close as I can get to 77 without going over. So now 8 times 9 equals 72, and we'll subtract. 77 minus 72 leaves me with 765 more. So now I say that there's a remainder of 5, but before I can say I'm done with this problem, I need to make sure, is my divisor greater than my remainder? Is 9 greater than 5? If it is, great. You probably did your math right. But if my divisor is less than my remainder, then you did something wrong. That means you could have divided it one more time. So you need to go back and check your math. Now if you do your long division this way, because this is the way that makes sense to you, let's do it this way. Remember, we'll start with looking at the hundreds column, then the tens column, then the ones. So looking at the hundreds column, can I divide 200 by 9? I cannot. So I'll put an X here. So because I cannot divide 2 into 9 groups, so I can't do it, because 9 times 2, 2 divided by 9 just can't happen. So then I look into the tens column. Can I divide 9 by 25? No, yes, I definitely can. I can do it 2 times. But I'm not in the ones column, I'm in the hundreds, tens. So 20 times 9 would give me 180. And we'll subtract. Now we've done hundreds column, 10 column, now it's time for ones. 77 can be divided by 9 8 times. 8 times 9 is 72, and we'll subtract, and that'll leave me with 5. So remember, take these partial quotients, put them together. Gives me 28 with a remainder of 5. But even if you do it this way, you still have to make sure that you check and make sure that your divisor is greater than your remainder. If it's not, then you miss dividing it by one more time, or maybe 2 more times, depending on how much bigger it is.